Have you ever heard someone say they've notched a win or notched up sales in business news? Today, I'm going to help you master the verb to notch, a fantastic expression for sounding more professional in business English. So what does to notch mean? In business and news, to notch means to achieve or record something, often as an important step or success. Imagine a piece of wood with notches cut into it. Each notch represents a new achievement. Let's see it in action. In a business context, you might hear, "Our team notched record profits this quarter." This means the team achieved record profits, a big win. Or in the news, "The company notched another victory in its legal battle." Here, to notch shows the company achieved another important success. Remember, to notch is usually followed by what was achieved, like notch a win, notch up sales, or notch another victory. Now let's try a quick exercise. Which of these sentences is correct? A. The company notched up its goals for the year. B. The company notched up a new client. Type your answer in the comments and tell me why. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, check out more videos on my channel to keep improving your business English. See you next time.